Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a sent trade offer on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Inventory. This is where all your Steam items, trading cards, and in-game collectibles are stored, and it's also your hub for managing trade offers. Once you're in your inventory, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Trade Offers. Go ahead and click on it. This section gives you an overview of all your trading activity, both incoming and outgoing. It's the central place where you can manage everything related to trades on Steam. Now, still on the right side of the screen, you'll see another option called Sent Offers. Click on this to view all the trade offers you've sent out to other users. This filter makes it easy to focus specifically on trades you've initiated rather than ones you've received. Now, although I don't have any current trade offers right now, I'm going to walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you do have active trades. When you have sent offers, you'll immediately see a list of all the trades you've initiated. Each trade offer will be displayed with details about what items you're offering and who you sent it to. On the right side of each individual trade, you'll notice a button that says Cancel Trade Offer. This button is your quick way to retract any offer you've sent, whether you changed your mind or made a mistake. Simply click on it to proceed. After clicking the Cancel Trade Offer button, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to cancel the trade. This is Steam's way of making sure you don't accidentally cancel an important trade. Go ahead and click Yes to confirm your decision. Once you do that, the trade offer will be immediately cancelled and removed from your sent offers list. The other user will also be notified that the trade is no longer available. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled a sent trade offer on Steam, giving you full control over your trading activity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.